Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. And we are going to start a new unit today, which is called Public Development. And what is the other thing? What is the other keyword of this particular unit? Who will tell me quickly? Public Development and what is the name of the unit that we are starting today? Public Development and let's see. Quickly turn your pages. Quickly turn to your notes and tell me what is the name of the unit that we are going to start today. Jaldi se do this exercise. ओहो नोबडी इज आंसरिंग व्हाई इतना टाइम लग रहा है पीछे जाने में अपने नोट्स में ये देखने में व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द यूनिट आई विल नॉट स्टार्ट द क्लास until and unless you tell me the name of the unit. Public Development and Entertainment. It's Public Development and Environment. We are everybody sleeping or what? Okay, so we have started. We are going to start a new unit today, which name is public development and environment. Okay, so here we are going to study some of the parts of a popular how people played an important role in development and environment. Basics about environment also we'll study. Okay, the first topic of this particular unit is Millennial Development Goal. So if you remember in the previous class, I told you that today you are going to study these goals only, which will help you understand a lot more things. Okay, so all these goals, you don't have to go into very much deeper down things. Just you have to remember 2-3 main things. That is, what is the full form of MDGs, full form of SDGs, how many MDGs are there, how many SDGs are there. All right. So let's study first about Millennial Development Goals. So there were total 8 goals in these particular. Yes, we are done with ICT, Prachya. Don't you check? Don't you check the topics? Beta, it's very important for everybody to just the way I told you to stick all the this years with the prominent books and all on your wall. It is very important. First and foremost, just take your timetable. Sorry, the syllabus that is that will be part of that. Just stick that syllabus in front of your wall. जहां पे आप उठो आपकी आंखों के सामने वो सिलेबस होना चाहिए so that you can tick ये हो गया है वो हो गया है. So Prachya, I would suggest you to go back to your syllabus and check that yes, we are done with ICT. I'm surprised that you don't check your syllabus. Okay, let's concentrate here now. So what are MDGs? MDGs are Millennial Development Goal, but a set of 8 global goals. It was established by UN in 2000, which was targeted to get complete by 2015. But due to some of the other reasons, they were not able to accomplish that. They emerged from the Millennial Summit and were the first internationally agreed upon framework to address global poverty, hunger, education, gender equality, child, maternal health, disease, environmental sustainability, and global partnership. Okay, so all these things, एक समिट हुई मिलेनियल समिट का नाम उसे दिया गया आई थिंक इट हैपेंड इन सिंगापुर और समथिंग वहां पे डिसाइड किया गया म्यूचुअली दैट एवरी कंट्री हैड अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हियर सो व्हाट हैपेंड कि उन लोगों ने एक सजेशन दिया दैट हाउ दे वांट टू what is their vision of a world that they imagine that they want to live in, and that's how these 8 goals were developed in that particular summit, and everybody agreed for this framework, and then finally all these 8 goals were promoted in 2000. The aim was to accomplish all this goal in 2015, which was pretty not possible. The first one is to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Okay, the first goal says that poverty should not be there. We should work in the favor of removing the poverty. Then achieve universal primary education. Second was related to education. Third was to promote gender equality and empower women. Fourth was to reduce child mortality rate. Fifth is to improve maternal health. Sixth is to combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. And seventh is to ensure environmental sustainability and develop the global partnership for development. ठीक है, ये गोल्स बना दिए यूनाइटेड नेशन के अंडर सबने, और 2000 में सबने सोचा कि 2015 तक पूरी दुनिया में कुछ ना कुछ हर कंट्री का एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनेगी who will develop different policies, different schemes so that these all goals can be achieved. But 2015 तक ऐसा हो नहीं पाया. क्यों नहीं हो पाया? Because there were some limitation which the MDGs lacked, where MDGs lacked. So despite including environmental goal, the MDGs were often criticized for different reasons. First of all was limitation on environmental focus. So we saw that out of 8 goals, only 1 goal was there, which was directly related to environment. And we know that environment was always an issue. Jab se, after 2000, especially, environment was definitely a thing to get concerned upon. So it didn't comprehensively cover major issues like climate change, renewable energy, sustainable consumption, or marine and terrestrial ecosystem. Then the top to down approach was followed here as well, because it was shaped by international agencies with limited involvement from grassroots organization. वो होता है ना कि बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर दी बॉस ने कि जो टारगेट है 2000 करोड़ का करेंगे, बट जो अर्निंग है वो तो 100 रुपए की हो रही है. ठीक है, ग्रास रूट वाले सेल्समैन से नहीं पूछ के उन्होंने सीधा गोल सेट कर दिया कि 2000 करोड़ का हमें सेल्स करना है. Then disconnected goals, because environmental sustainability was not integrated with other goals. For example, poverty, health and education, even though all are interconnected. Weak monitoring and data. So when they were implementing policies, different policies, but it became difficult to track data क्योंकि कोई research proper नहीं हो पाई और quality data नहीं मिल पाया, especially in developing nation. Then short termination, the MDG focused more on outcomes by 2015 rather than long-term systematic change or sustainable framework. ठीक है, it was like कि meeting हुई, सब मिले, एक goal set कर दिया 2015 तक कर लेंगे, but कर नहीं पाए. Because it didn't have any long-term plan. It was a very short-term plan. And so 2015 में एक वापस सबमिट हुई जिसमें डेवलप हुए आपके SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals. I remember one of my teacher telling me a story behind this, that how does this word called sustainable came into light. So when these powerful people were having a meet at UN again कि 2015 तक वो वाले goals तो achieve हुए नहीं. Now how do we build a better world? So there was this particular word called sustainable. It was coming into a lot of light. So somebody gave an emphasis that why sustainability is major thing now, why we want to shift towards sustainability. So that's how sustainable उन्होंने जो goals बनाए, जो ब्रीफ कमेटी बैठी उन्होंने ही सस्टेनेबल को एक टॉपिक का नाम, आई मीन एक हेडिंग का नाम दे दिया, बिकॉज सस्टेनेबल इटसेल्फ मीन्स समथिंग दैट इज feasible in long run. Okay, so this new framework was set up in 2015 and it had total 17 global goals that were adopted by United Nations in September 2015 as a part of 2030 agenda for sustainable development. Now, wherever you go, whether in schools, institutions, you will always find many of them abiding to these kind of rules. Even I feel that in tier 3 town, there are many people who are following such rules so that they can have the world they are aiming for. Okay, so this is basically known as the successor of millennial development goals. and MDGs and aim to address broader range of global challenge by balancing economic growth, social inclusion and environmental sustainability. So बहुत thoughtfully ये 17 goals बनाए गए. So these SDGs are designed to be universal, applying to all countries, developed or developing, and emphasize leaving no one behind. ठीक है? So it states that कितनी भी countries अगर developed भी हो गई हो, so it is very important for them also to maintain their developedness. ठीक है? And these all the SDGs goal will help them do that. So these are some of the 18, not some, these are all the 17 goals of the SDGs. You can note down all of these. And one thing is you have to remember each and every goal with their number, because it has been seen that in UGC NET exam, they might ask you what is the sixth goal of SDGs, or what number, on what number they'll reduce inequality scale. ठीक है, तो इसको ट्रिक है, कुछ ट्रिक्स याद करने की, उससे आप याद कर सकते हो, अपनी खुद की कुछ ट्रिक बना सकते हो उनको याद करने की. जैसे हम वो केमिकल की टेबल नहीं याद करते थे इन केमिस्ट्री, सिमिलरली यू कैन मेक समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई रिमेम्बर रंजन सर यूज्ड टू टीच अस ऐसे कि सबसे पहले जब एक पुअर स्टेट ऑफ जगह है, तो उसमें सबसे पहले एक पॉवर्टी को हटाएंगे, यानी पैसे आएंगे तो हम उससे अपने लिए खाना ला सकते हैं, सेकंड गोल. थर्ड गोल थोड़े और पैसे बढ़ेंगे तो शायद हमारी लाइफस्टाइल बेटर होगी, यानी हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी. थोड़े फिर पैसे और बढ़ेंगे तो हमें एजुकेशन आएगी. ठीक है, ये 4 हमारे बेसिक चीजें हो गई. रोटी कपड़ा मकान, पॉवर्टी, सेकंड इज जीरो हंगर, थर्ड इज गुड हेल्थ वेलबींग, फोर्थ इज क्वालिटी एजुकेशन. उसके बाद जब हम थोड़े ऊपर उठे सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स में, तो हम बात करेंगे जेंडर इक्वालिटी की. उसके बाद हमें क्लीन वाटर चाहिए होगा एंड सैनिटाइजेशन की फैसिलिटीज. देन ऑफ कोर्स अफोर्डेबल एंड क्लीन एनर्जी. Eighth is decent work and economic growth. Ninth is industrial innovation and infrastructure. 10th is reduce inequalities. 11th is sustainable cities and communities. 12th is responsible consumption and production. 13th climate action. 14th life below water. Very important to note. ये आ चुका है question. Life below water, and you are going to study it in little detail when we go to the environmental part. Then life on land. Peace, justice, and strong institution, and partnership for the goals. ठीक है? So these are some of the, not some, sorry. So these are all of the SDGs that are made in 2015 and which the UN aimed कि 2030 तक इसको हम reach out कर ले. ठीक है? So we believe that SDGs are more holistic and inclusive because it is covering all aspect of the life, where we imagine कि किस तरीके से आप अपनी लाइफ में अपने दुनिया को अच्छी दुनिया बना सकते हो. Then why the SDGs present a paradigm shift, because they go beyond poverty to address inequality, peace, climate change, and institutional strength, interlink all goals, recognizing the development is multidimensional. So we know that if you become educated, it doesn't mean that you belong to a developed nation. आपके देश के सारे लोग educated हो गए तो क्या वो develop माने जाएंगे? No. But it's a multi-dimensional process. अगर वो पढ़ाई लिखाई करके develop हो गए, then poverty is important factor, health is also an important factor, then environment is also an important factor. Integrate sustainability into every area, that is urban development, consumption pattern, energy use, or biodiversity. It encourages cross-sectional collaboration. Example, environment plus economy plus society. यानी सब एक साथ चीजें आगे बढ़ेंगी तो ही एक right direction में development होगा. Encourage cross-sector. In contrast, MDGs were more sectoral and isolated, often treated issues like education or health in silos without linking them to environmental and economic dimensions. So it is said, no, अगर आप planning करोगे और छोटी-छोटी, for example, घर पे शादी होती है, तो ऐसा नहीं कि हम सीधा शादी की तैयारी करने लगते हैं. शादी के पहले के भी 10 फंक्शन होते हैं, करेक्ट? छोटे छोटे फंक्शन होते हैं, मेहंदी भी देखनी है, हमें हल्दी भी देखनी है, दुल्हन की ड्रेस भी देखनी है, फैमिली का डांस भी देखना है, घर में उसके लिए क्या क्या ड्रेसेस आएंगी, गिफ्ट्स में क्या देना, सब छोटी छोटी चीजें देखनी है, तभी जाके शादी सक्सेसफुल होगी, राइट? सिमिलरली एसडीजीज का भी यही है. आप छोटी छोटी चीजों की प्लानिंग पे ध्यान दो, उनके एग्जीक्यूशन पे ध्यान दो, देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल इन गेटिंग दैट पैराडिग्म. करेक्ट? Okay, that is it. So in your regular life, oh sorry, I'm so sorry. In your regular studies, just make sure कि आप MDGs और SDGs को अच्छे से लिख लो, note down कर लो, so that you are able to memorize all of these and understand that what goals belongs to MDGs and what goals belongs to SDGs. ठीक है, clear? Is it clear? Is it clear to each and everyone? Thank you, Sarojini. Thank you, Mayuri. Is it clear to everyone? I just want to know. All right, chalo, let's go to the quiz then. So the first question is, which of the following is not a sustainable goal, sustainable development goal? No poverty, zero hunger, climate action, or globalization of trade? Everybody on their chat box. The correct answer is yes, D, not a sustainable development goal. That is globalization of trade. Very good. Okay, the next question is, the Millennial Development Goals were meant to be achieved by 2020, 2010, 2015, or 2005? The correct answer is C. Very good. It was meant to be completed by 2015. How many sustainable goals have been set by the United Nations? 8, 17, 15, or 20? 17. And how many were made in the Millennial Development Goals? 8. Very good. Okay, the next question is, which of the following is the target of MDGs? Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education, achieve universal primary education, build resilient infrastructure, or promote peaceful and inclusive societies. Which of the following is the target of MDGs? Now to answer this question, it is very important कि आप MDGs को अच्छे से समझो. Okay? Okay, what do you feel is the correct answer? Different answers I'm getting. The correct answer is to achieve universal primary education. Yes, to achieve universal primary education was the main motive. Out of these four. Next question, which one of the following SDGs aims to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitization for all? Remember, I told you to आपको याद करना पड़ेगा कौन से नंबर पे कौन सा है, and that's how only you will be able to answer this question. Yes, absolutely. Okay, sorry. Let's wait for others to also answer. Yes, the correct answer is SDG 6. या तो जब हमने ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने आपको बताया कि पहले गरीबी जाएगी, फिर भूख मिटेगी, तो उसके बाद आएगा आपका क्लीन वाटर एंड सैनिटाइजेशन. ओके, हालांकि वो वाला कॉन्सेप्ट केवल 4 या 5 गोल्स तक ही चलता है, उसके बाद आपको याद ही करना पड़ेगा. ओके, दैट इज इट. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर कि आप ये 17 गोल्स का प्रिंट आउट लेके इसको भी लगा दो. मैं तो कह रही हूँ जून तक अपनी दीवारें थोड़ी गंदी करो, ताकि आपको आपके सामने रहे, आंखों के सामने रहे चीजें, तो आप चलते फिरते इनको रिवाइज करते रहो. ठीक है, just get a printout of all these goals and paste it on your walls so that you are able to memorize and remember all the things. Clear? Is this topic clear to everyone? Just let me know. Any doubt? Great, thank you. What about the rest of the kids? Rajya, is it clear? Everything is clear to you? All right, ठीक है. Thank you so much, everyone. So I am going to stop the class over here. Is there anything should I tell you? Prachya, is there anything that you want to